Hello, welcome guys to our channel Indian Keto Cuisine. So, this morning we are with a new video. No, nothing like that कि इतनी सारी बातें बताऊंगे. It's about a recipe now. Yes, let's start with some fresh and good recipes. So today we'll start with one. But before starting, चलिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए हमारे चैनल को. बहुतों ने नहीं किया है. So now what's the video content today? It's bulletproof coffee. Yes. अरे भाई bulletproof coffee क्या है? Let's see यार. So for the introduction thing, पहले जानते हैं क्या है कॉफ़ी, ये क्या है इसके benefits, and then I'll show you how to make it also. So for millions of individuals across the globe, coffee is a great way to wake up now and start the day. But coffee isn't just about helping you wake up, no. It should be something like bulletproof coffee. अभी भी नहीं समझ आया what it should be यार. If you haven't heard about bulletproof coffee, you are definitely missing out something. It's not only a part of keto diet but also so popular in India that you will see lots of benefits out of it. And if you haven't heard about it, you are in the correct place. So what is bulletproof coffee? Essentially, it is a combination of brewed coffee, like MCT, medium chain triglyceride, that's MCT, coconut oil, with grass-fed and salted butter. So it is ideal for the people who are following a low carbohydrate and high fat diet. So low carbohydrate and high fat diet, समझे? It's keto. Yes. So bulletproof coffee was innovated by Silicon Valley entrepreneur Dave Asprey. चलो ठीक है, ये तो जान गए भाई. अब इसके बेनिफिट क्या क्या हैं. तो बेसिकली इट हेल्प्स इन वेट लॉस, ये तो हमें पता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिसर्च, MCTs, वन ऑफ द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ द बुलेट कॉफ़ी, आर मेटाबोलाइज्ड क्विकली. This makes them an effective weight loss tool. Additionally, grass-fed butter has high level of omega-3s, whose anti-inflammatory properties can improve energy level, brain functions, and gut health too. Many people use bulletproof coffee as their main breakfast item and say that it keeps them fulling until their next meal. It enhances your brain functions. Researchers show that caffeine can enhance brain function in the short term. Also, in the further researches, we also come to know that it can improve various aspects of brain function, including one's vigilance, reaction time, moods, attention, and general mental function. Caffeine also stimulates the central nervous system by supporting the release of other neurotransmitters, including dopamine and serotonin. तो भाई इतनी सारी बातों के बाद अगर किसी ने बोला यार आपने इतना कुछ बोला हमें समझ नहीं आया, इन शॉर्ट भाई ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है आपके वेट लॉस के लिए भी, आपके गट्स के लिए भी, एंड आपके ब्रेन फंक्शनिंग के लिए भी. इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन हैव इन योर ब्रेकफास्ट. इट इज़ हाई इन हेल्थ फैट्स. ओके, लेकिन ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड का क्या फ़ायदा है, ये तो हमने बताया ही नहीं. वो भी बताते हैं. ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड्स कैन हेल्प यू रिड्यूस ब्लड प्रेशर, ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आर्टेरियल plaques. Taking the omega-3s can also reduce depression. It is also important in weight management and on the other hand, many other essential benefits too. So basically it will help you live a healthier life. So let's get started. चलो किचन में चलिए किचन में. So let's see. This is the first ingredient, obviously coffee, then keto MCT oil, unsalted Amul butter you can take the small cube, then पानी लेना है हमें. So here's the bottle, water भरा हुआ है इसमें, and then yes my coffee mug, and yes mixing jar चाहिए आपको, mixer, any grinder you have, just to mix it. Okay, so here all the things we need. Taking 1 cup of water into the pan first and then just making a black coffee. Heat it. Just you need to make a black coffee either by heating over pan or any way you prefer. So here's the black coffee ready. अब एक jar लेते हैं हम. This is the keto MCT oil. I'm telling you, this is the main ingredient here. So keto MCT oil को हमें पहले डालना है jar में. तो इसमें spoon, yes it's here. So spoon में 1 small spoon we can take 1 small spoon MCT oil into the jar. Yes, here it goes. And then yes, unsalted butter. Yes, डाल दिया हमने. Okay, then the coffee we have prepared. We have put the coffee there and then grinded it. Yes, and now the grinded one into my coffee mug here. Yeah, it's going to be so good, I'm telling you. Must try, huh? चलो, एक healthy cheese and good taste also. We have showed you the benefits, we showed you how to make it. I hope you like the video. If you have liked it, please press the thumb blue, like the video, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends and dear ones, and do comment below. Your comments are very valuable to us. It will help us to grow more and more and reach out to your queries also. I'm mentioning my Instagram page here. Please do follow us there, and for enrollment for keto diets you can just DM us here also and then on Instagram also. So tata, bye bye, have a good day.